So, pag sinabi unit vectors, these are vectors having unit length 1. Okay. Ibig sabihin, yung kaninang binanggit natin na unit vector ay j, k, lahat sila ay may magnitude na 1, norm 1, length 1. Okay. So, ayun na nga, oh. I hat, j hat, k hat, as a length or magnitude of 1. Okay. Kaya napansin nyo, hanggang dito lang sila, no? So, yung I, let's say, ito, ay. So, yan. Ibig sabihin, ang magnitude niyan ay 1. Okay? So, yung formula ng unit vector, yung general formula for a unit vector, it is the unit vector in a direction. So, ang kinukuhanan ng unit vector ay hindi scalar, no? Kundi vector. Kaya yung given dito na A, that should be a vector. So, the unit vector in a direction, if A is any vector with length, so, lagi naman A greater than 0, okay, is, so yung vector A divided by absolute ng A. Okay. So, itong formula na to, let's say, kapag ganyan ginagawa ko, nilalagyan ko ng subscript ng A to indicate vector A. Kasi, halimbawa, maraming pinagawa ng vector, no? Ay, ano ba yung ginagawa? Ito. Yan. X, Y, Z. Let's say, ito ay vector A. Ito naman ay, let's say, vector B. Okay? So, pag kinuha natin yung unit vector niyan, hanggang dito lang sila. No? Let's say, ito lang. Yan lang yung unit vector nila. Okay? Vector tong B. Pero yung unit vector niya, ganito lang kaikli, which is equal to 1. Kung ito ang vector A, hanggang dito lang yung unit vector niya. No? Okay. So, pag kinupute natin yan, A sub A, no? Let's say unit vector. That is, kapag nilagay ko yung, di ba ang equivalent ng vector A, say for example, A sub 1x, A sub 1i, plus A sub 2j, plus A sub 3k, no? Yan yung vector A, di ba? Divided by, pag sinabing magnitude, or yung formula nito kasi ay square root of. Kukunin nyo yung component, yung tatlong component, A sub 1 square, plus A sub 2 square, plus A sub 3 square. Okay. Ay, A sub 3 square. Sorry. So, yung nasa ilalim, that is scalar, no? Square root of ano. Makuha ko yung scalar dyan, sagot. Yung nasa taas, vector pa rin. So, pag dinivide mo yan na ito, vector pa rin ang magiging sagot. Bakit? That is, kung titignan, isa-isahin ko, A sub 1 over square root of A sub 1 square plus A sub 2 square plus A sub 3 square times I plus A sub 2 over square root of A sub 1 square plus A sub 2 square plus A sub 3 square. J plus A sub 3 all over square root of A sub 1 square plus A sub 2 square plus A sub 3 square. Okay. So, yung sagot sa unit vector ay vector. Okay? Vector. Take note, ang magnitude. Halimbawa, kinuha nyo yung magnitude ng unit vector A. Huwag mo nang computein kasi equal yan sa 1. Sigurado yan. Okay? So, unit vectors having a unit length of palaging 1. Hindi lang dun sa unit vector I, unit vector J. Hindi. Lahat ng unit vector. Even yung magnitude, yung length ng along B, that's equal to 1. So, kahit saan yan. Okay? So, yun. So, ito yung formula ng, ito palang binigay ko. No? Anyway, ito na yun. No? Yung magnitude formula, given ng vector, kunin nyo lang yung components, no? Square root nyo lang, kunin nyo lang yung sum ng square nila. Yan. And then, pag in-apply sa unit vector formula, okay, ayan. Take note of that, no? Okay, so, madalas natin mag-compute ng unit vector. Okay, so, find the unit vector in a direction. Okay, ay di, solve lang natin, no? So, solution, sabi sa formula, unit vector along A is equal to vector A divided by the magnitude of A, which is equal to 2i minus 3j all over square root of 2 square plus 3 square. No? Ganun lang. Okay? So, ano sagot? Ano to? Square root of 4 plus 9, 13. No? So, 2 square root of 13. 2 over square root of 13, no? Ay, pag naglagay kayo ng sagot, isa-isahin nyo. Minus 3 over square root of 13. J. Ayan, ha? So, let us specify the unit vector extending from the origin toward the point G to negative 2, negative 1. Okay? Okay. Eh, kahit hindi mo na-drawing pala to, no? From origin to point G, no? Diretso na yan, no? Ano yung unit vector? Okay. Ilalagay mo lang to, no? So, vector G is equal to, gagawin ko lang vector G. Okay? So, considering, vector tong, na to. So, 2i, o 2ax, pwede rin yun, minus 2. Ay, ang ingay din ng isa, minus 2, a sub y, minus 1, a sub k, no? Pwede rin yan. Unit vector naman, g all over yung magnitude ng g. Okay. So, lagay ko na dito, 2. Ganito na lang, 2i na lang. Dami pa, ax. Pares lang naman yan. Minus 2j minus k. Ayan. Pares lang naman yan. Okay? All over square root ng 2 squared plus 2 squared plus yung negative, di ko na sinasama na eh. Negative 2 squared, positive pa rin naman yun. Plus 1 squared. Ayan. So that yung unit vector along G is equal to 2 over, ano ito? 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, square root of 9, 3. 2 over 3 ay minus 2 over 3 J minus 1 over 3 K. Ito pala. Unit vector. Ayan. So yun, let us find the norm of a vector of the given vector. Okay? So pag sinabi norm, ito yung magnitude. Okay? Magnitude ng vector A. Okay? Yan yung norm. Okay? So, kunin lang natin yung square root ng component niya. No? 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared. No? So, that would be, the norm is square root of 3. No? Square root of 3. Okay. Usually, norm is length or usually nilalagyan pa nila ng units yan, no? Unit, no? 1 point something. No? Square root of 3 unit, no? Yan, square root of 3.